Man, this right here, in a violent nature, was probably one of the dumbest horror movies I'd ever went to go see. Man, this motherfucker right here, this fake ass Jason, fake ass Freddy Krueger, beast looking motherfucker, move 1 mile an hour, killing motherfuckers one by one, basically crept up on everybody in the movie. Oh, this is a spoiler alert. Nah, it ain't got no esoteric knowledge and hidden information in here. But it's just dumb in a violent nature. I can spin it on some spiritual shit. When goddamn Big Mama ready to make the complete shift, it's gonna be in a violent nature. And it's gonna all come back to the chosen ones. But back to this big dummy right here. Bruh. Nobody seen or heard this big motherfucker creeping up on them. But if you bored, you ain't got nothing to do, you just want to go to the movies, hey, and you done seen everything else, and you just like having a movie experience, and you got a membership and the movie is free through your membership, go see this big turtle motherfucker creeping up on everybody, killing them. Nobody heard a twig snapping that he stepped on. Nobody can hear his feet moving. Nobody can hear him breathing. Nobody can hear him brushing up against the goddamn leaves and branches and shit. And the movie was quiet the whole time. Motherfucker, all you see is this motherfucker just walking. Slow as a bitch. The whole time. Just walking. And killing motherfuckers for no reason. Basically. Yeah, in the violent nature. Thumbs down.